know who does? Daniel from Plaztuff USA.
What's Plaztuff?
The original first rail we ever built. We wanted to make sure when they came to us with this project that we could accomplish what they were looking for. So we did the prototypes here, and this is prototype 1 we built. We made some adjustments to it to make it a little bit more durable. Like we showed you there, we have now the welds are currently on the inside.
So it's kind of like a hot glue gun, but you're not using hot glue.
That's the terminology I tell everyone. The welding process, I'm about to weld it. So what we've done is we've built a jig. This is this piece of wood here called a jig, so this will sit in place. The first original thing they built was a fertilizer tanker about 18 years ago. And so the original fertilizer tankers they used to make were out of stainless steel, and they were rust out within about 2 to 3 years. So the company came to me and said, we want something that's going to last a lot longer. So they built a fertilizer tanker out of the Plaztuff, and it is still in existence today.
What's your role at Plaztuff?
So my role is to create a workforce. So we have to, it's a special product, so we have to get trained on it. And now what we have to do is train other people.
What is so cool about manufacturing?
Well, manufacturing, it's for us, what we're able to do and what's very cool about what we have is in the polymer and plastic field, everything is a blown mold. So the molding is very expensive. So what's very cool about what we do is we fabricate. So we cut, we weld, we bend, just like you would steel or stainless. And so there's no other company out there that's using high density polymer like we are to create and to compete with those other products.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Design process.
Creating something your own.
Getting to make something new.
Working together.
Creativity.
Collaborating.
The engineering process.